no glue now. What did I do to this? Hey guys, Stella here. Today in this video, we are gonna be making some slime. And the slime is gonna be with only 5 ingredients we all of us have in our home. The first ingredient is clear glue. There's glue in my hand. I'm gonna take all of. Okay, hey guys, again, hey. I'm gonna make slime. 5 ingredients: clear glue, coloring glue, like green coloring, because I'm gonna make green slime, and baking soda, saving foam, and lens solution. Let's start. First, we put the glue in it. This whole finished. Another packet of glue. Just to finish the packet of glue. Another packet of glue. Please give me another. This is the last one. We all full. Thank you. Okay, we put a lot of glue in the slime to make in a small bowl. This is small too. First, let's share this with only the glue ones. Yeah. After that, we're gonna be putting some lens solution in it. So it will be the slime you have to play with. And it's mixing it, and the sound is coming like whir, 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 whir. Let's put some lens solution in it. Yeah, the lens solution is in it. Ready? We can put some more lens solution in it, so it will be nice enough to play with. Please, lens solution, calm down. Shatters lens solution. Should put more lens solution in it to make more sticky enough. So I just put a little bit to choose it. And in this video, we're gonna be making glitter glue. I'm gonna be making some glitter slime. That was only I spit only the solution of the in glue. I just put some lens solution and it made. This is the first slime we're gonna be making. And now I'm gonna put some here's for coloring. Let's mix it. Now let's put glitter, red glitter. Wait a minute, go and bring it there. Got to bring it. Sugar, monkey to the body. So, where's my glitter glue? Oh yeah, here I found my glitter. Let's go enough to put the glitter on. Okay, let's put some glitter. Oh, here's something here. Oh wait. Let's put some glitter on it. Okay. This is the magic. Oh, I think I put a little bit, much more. Enough that we didn't even need. So I'm gonna take that out. Like that was glitter. I don't like too much glitter to be. Oh, and last but not least, the baking soda. Let's mix it now. Ew. At first it looks so bad. Let's try to do by hands, because by the spoon it's not happening though. Let's do. Oh, it is not as stretchy, but I don't know though. Let's do it, girl. Oh, this has a lot of glitter now. And I was thinking the time was the time. Now in the country it's 5 o'clock p.m. This year is 5 o'clock. Okay, this is the thing that we just got. Oh, it was the pop of the slime. Let's put more glitter to make more elastic. More glitter. Oh shit! See here how much I put the glitter on. A whole of it. What did I do? That was not good. I'm gonna put it back. I'm just gonna put this spoon for something, and I'm gonna get the glitter from. Oh shit! Was it your wires? Oh yeah. We got it. Okay. We got it. Okay, just stay here, I was so horribly messed down because the glitter went over this much all. If I just put the green of it will look like maybe poop. So I didn't put the green with coloring. Instead I put some pink glitter coloring. Okay, now let's just pick up this glitter. This is not nice. Too much glitter. That's not really good ones. Look, that was nice. But here's our last come to the slime. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Mobstar. That's all, and TikTok too. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's play with my slime. Truly real. Holy moly! This is great. Bye, guys. Love you guys. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat. I don't really have Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, again, TikTok, and and Mobstar. Bye, guys. Love you guys.